Parts required for making a hinge plate assembly. Hinge plate, quadrants, pin, M8 nuts, stop, tools required, box spanner, Allen key, and also the 5mm grub screw. Take the hinge plate, place into vise. This is the stop already in. Place the quadrant in between the two blocks. Line the pin up. Take the Allen key and the grub screw. Thread into the quadrant. Thread it all the way down. Take your M8 nuts on each end of the pin, thread on by hand until they lock. Using the box spanners, rotate the nuts until they reach the blocks, and you should be able to get your adjustment. And what we're looking for is that this quadrant is central to the hinge plate. There should be an even spread between the quadrant and the plate opening. See how free it's feeling. Give the grub screw an extra tighten up, and then just add a bit more pressure to the nuts so there's a bit of resistance on the quadrant. Quadrant should stop where it is. It shouldn't fall free at any point. Okay.